Welcome to Stitch in Heaven, your Block of the Month headquarters. My name is Amy Navarro, and I'm excited today to share with you our June 2024 Block of the Month Smitten. This is a beautiful patchwork quilt. It is designed by Lulu Well, and it helps you to learn paper piecing. It's very beginner friendly. You're going to get a lot in your month one package, so it's a start and go kind of thing. Don't be nervous though. Like I said, it's very beginner friendly. If you're wanting to get into paper piecing, this is a great one, okay? I just want to also mention that the Smitten pattern cannot be bought separately. So if you're wanting to do this, you got to be in the program, guys, okay? So this beautiful quilt is going to start off with some hexagon shapes. And once you're completed with it, it's going to finish at 48 inches by 61 inches, guys, okay? So let's go through your block one package, and I'll show you a little bit of the details here, okay? So let's start up here with your pattern. It's got a beautiful picture on the front. Look at all these beautiful fabrics, and they're going to come together here. In the pattern, you're going to have the templates to make it, but you can also buy the set H from the Perfect Patchwork by Marty Michelle. That will work with this pattern. So on the page one, it's going to give you a little introduction from Lulu, how she got started in quilting, and a little bit about this pattern. And then it's going to go into your first block here. So we've also included this little breakdown, and it'll show you that in this month you're going to make these hexagons, okay? So hexagon one here, this blue circle fabric is this one, and you'll be able to tell that because we label these packages so it's easy to follow along, guys, okay? So this fabric here, gorgeous, comes with all of your pieces, and we do that for each hexagon here, and they're all beautifully coordinated, okay? So in your little month one breakdown, it's going to give you, you're going to make 5 hexagons, and then the second time you're going to make 5 more, and you're going to make 2 of number 3. Very easy to follow along and understand. We try to make it hard to mess up. All right, so included with this also is a welcome letter. It's going to give you some basic instruction information on the front here, when the program bills out, how long the program is, and some information on the inside as well on how to update your billing. All of these are QR codes, so that's easy to get to. Just use your camera app on your cell phone, and it's going to take you right to that link. So it's got a picture here on the left as well for you to put beside as you're making. Keeps you going towards your goal, as I like to say, what you're going to finish up with. This first QR code I especially want to talk about, that is our Facebook group. We encourage all of our Block of the Monthers to join our Facebook group. It's specific to this program for this series. So you can communicate with other quilters that are in this Block of the Month. Y'all can chat, build a community, share what you've done throughout this program to make it easier for you. Tips, tricks, you can share your pictures. We can also communicate there with you guys if anything changes, or if you want to ask us questions, we will answer you on the Facebook group. It's got a QR code for your fabric key. There is a lot of fabrics in this quilt, guys, so that's going to be a useful tool for you there. It also has a QR code for your subscription newsletter. If you want to know about this Block of the Month or other Block of the Months that are coming out, that would be useful. And again, the last one is to update your billing. So if your phone number changes, if your address changes, that's where you can do that at. On the back is our store hours and our phone number. If you want to get to us faster than using our Facebook group, pick up the phone and call us. We will be here to answer your questions, help you, or if you made a mistake or anything and need some help, call us. We are here for you to help you through this program. We're excited. We love that you've joined us for our Block of the Month. It encourages us to keep doing what we do, that y'all have joined, and we're thankful for that. So I wanted to tell you also, this program includes backing for your quilt. So you're going to get all of it to make the front, and then the last month you're going to get the backing for the quilt itself. You just got to get some batting and quilt that sucker together. It'll be beautifully done. I just want to thank you again for coming and joining us here on our YouTube channel to see what you're going to be getting in your month one package. We will have some videos up on our Facebook group as well that lead you here for this as well. So thank you so much, guys. Again, my name is Amy Navarro. I'm excited to see you and talk to you again. See you later.
Great job.